In Level 4, we will be looking for missing angles in what we call crooked line diagrams, like example 7, and also problems involving angles in circles. Looking at this first example, the way you're going to do every crooked line diagram is every place that you have a bend, you're going to insert an extra parallel line. So I have two parallel lines already, and if I draw in a third line that is also parallel to those two lines, I can use my properties of parallel lines to find that missing angle. Now, if I know that this angle right here is 100, I can use same side interior angles to find this little angle right here. These two angles need to add up to 180. So if I do 180 minus 100, I get 80 for this angle right there, which is part of angle X. Then to find the other part of angle X, I could use alternate interior angles. If you see this Z shape, these two alternate interior angles are the same. So this would be a 40-degree angle. And then to find the measure of angle X, I'm going to add the 80 and the 40 together, and we get 120. In the next problem, we have an isosceles triangle inscribed in a circle. And anytime you have a triangle in a circle where two of the sides are radii, it will be isosceles because these two, every radius in a circle is congruent, so those two sides would always be congruent. And they tell us that FE is 3x plus 1 and GE is 17. And the measure of angle E is 75 degrees. And we want to find the value of X and the measure of angle F. So we're dealing with two different things here. First we're looking at sides, and then we need to look at angles. FE and EG, or GE, are two sides, and those side lengths are the same. So to find X, I can make the equation 3x plus 1 equals 17, and I just solve for X. So I subtract 1 from both sides, and we get 3x equals 16, divide by 3, and we get X equals 16 over 3. Which didn't really come out to a nice, pretty number, but that's okay. And to find the measure of angle E, now I'm going to look at the, or not angle E, we're looking for the measure of angle F. We already know the measure of angle E, so 75 degrees is the vertex angle, and these two angles F and G are the two base angles that are congruent. So if I want to find the measure of those base angles, I can subtract 180 minus 75, which gives me 105. And that 105 has to be split evenly between angle F and angle G. So now I can do 105 divided by 2, and I get 52.5 degrees. So both angle F and angle G would be 52.5 degrees. So my answer here is 52.5 degrees.